Okay, let's get started today. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to set up the signal generator. So the first thing you want to do is you want to be able to make sure that this guy here, this bot, the BitUnix signal generator, is in the group that you are trying to send the signals. So the first thing you want to do is you come here, let's say make a new channel. Just say give channel name, channel. Test, description, testing. The signal generator. Okay. Next. Okay, so you make it public, private, whatever name. Okay, now you have this channel, so subscriber. Okay, so the way you would put it in is come over here, the channels, and then you have subscribers. I'm gonna add a subscriber. And then the subscriber that you want to add would be the signal generator bot. So signal generator bot, click on here, hit OK. It said bots can only be added to channel as admins. Make admin here. Done. So now the signal generator is here. Okay. Then what I would need to do is we're going to need to go to the. Okay. We're going to take a look here. We're going to go to the signal generator. Go tools. Add tools. So we're going to create a signal. We're going to create a new job. So we get Bitcoin, and then here is a channel. We need to grab it from here. Channel share link, copy that. I'm gonna paste this in here. Search. Pull up channel test. Yeah, this is our channel. I'm gonna use that one. Say frequency. Let's say 15-minute analysis. We want it every, say, 1 hour. Okay. For Bitcoin price. Hit create job. Now the signal's been created. We can actually have it send now. It says about an hour. We can check here. Okay. And come back here. Just hit a send now. Okay. Usually it has time to prepare. Let it generate the signal now. If we come here, we can see here the signal was created and placed into here. And there we go. That's how you set up the signal generator from the AI, Treasurium.ai, the KOL box. Okay, if you have any more questions, please feel free to comment or ask questions. The link below will be here. Unfortunately, this is an invitation only. It's only accessible to the KOLs under Treasurium.ai, under BitUnix. Contact us for more.